Really understand what I'm talking about. Did you know that some people are making more money on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram than doctors and lawyers? That's not hype. It's a fact. In 2024 alone, content creators around the world earned over $250 billion. And that number is still growing in 2025. Yes, all from creating videos, posts, and content using just their phone. You don't need a camera, confiscated machines. No, what you need is your phone. Content creation is no longer just a hobby. It's one of the most profitable industries of our time right now. People like you and me are making money from vlogs, tutorials, skits, reviews, and even sharing their daily lives. What about you? What are you doing exactly? In Africa, young creators are building empires from their bedrooms. Yes, all they need was consistency, creativity, and a smartphone. Whether it is YouTube, Facebook Reels, TikTok, or podcast, these platforms are paying, and guess what? You don't need to be famous. There is no need. People have missed it. They want to be famous. No, you don't need to be famous. What you need right now, you need to make money. You just need to be consistent and smart. When I was beginning, I was like, no one knows me. How will I make it? So if you've been sitting on your ideas waiting for the perfect time to start, the time is now. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Even if you have no camera, no writing, and 0 followers, just start. Your phone is not a just gadget. It is your tool to wealth. I beg you, start. Don't wait to be great. Start creating. Keep learning. Stay consistent, and then money will follow. Content creation is not just the future. It's happening now. Be part of it and let your content pay you guys. Boys, I have gotten serious, should I say, serious cold that has taken some time. But here am I with you. I want to tell you the truth. Content creation is now a $1 billion industry. When I'm talking about a $1 billion industry, I mean you can earn money, you can have a living, you can get your investments from content creation. Where exactly are you based? Are you based on the streets of Facebook? Are you based in the streets of TikTok? Or you're based on the streets of YouTube? You guys, before we begin about content creation, this video is going to be very short. When I'm talking about very short, I would love even not to be 3 minutes. Yes, content creation, I mean you want to do something out of your phone and out of your skill and out of what you love, your passion. One, you don't need a fancy camera. No, you just need your phone. You need your creativity, you need your consistency, and you need your passion. That's number one. This is something for you guys for this weekend. And how do you transform this content into earnings, into other investments? I don't mind, you guys, whether you have zero followers or you have 1,000. It's not about likes, it's not about views, by the way. It's something deep. When you come to learn, if you start this journey, just ask me, what were you meaning that it's not about followers? I might get even 50 views, but I will earn more than the person of 1,000 views. This is a story for another day. From 0 followers to daily income, you can sit at the comfort of your home and do it. From simple posts to paid deals. It's real, guys. And it's happening right now. There are some people who have specialized in having deals, like sponsorship deals, by being brand ambassadors, and that is something small. Let me tell you, it's very minimal, because these are for today, not for tomorrow. Being a brand ambassador, it's a big deal for a season, but not for forever. So what you need to aim at is to make sure you turn your content into a branded content, into something that is very big. You can make your brand. At the end of the day, you find you're doing ebooks. I have a friend, I'm going to be reviewing a book very soon. It's very interesting. From zero, he has not even 1 follower, but his book is already published on Amazon, as you can see on the screen. Let me tell you, what you need to do, get your camera, start now, don't wait for tomorrow. By the way, your own content, you yourself, your content. Sometimes you can wake up and be a content, and sometimes you can wake up and be not content. You yourself, your money. Your content is gold mine. I talk about it. That's why you see, even if I'm sick, I know this sickness is my content. Let me come. I do a voiceover. I put my picture on top, and you're going to watch. At the end of the day, I'm going to get my dollar. Please, can your content pay you? Not other people to pay you. Please. This is something I want to show you now. I want to show you that where you're seated right now, it's a weekend. Look around you. If not around you, check what are you thinking. If not what you're thinking, what annoyed you? What made you happy? Like before I did this video, I was so much excited that everybody would say, what is this? I was like that lady in the Bible when she was so much excited, and even, you can get excited of crying, you can get excited of laughing, to the extent that people will mistake you. So nothing is very beautiful like money. As you watch this clip this weekend, I want you to take this point, that your content, you yourself, your content, and you will remain content. What did you learn out of this video? The people who will not follow will not learn anything. But me, I learned something, that today I made money. See you guys. Bye-bye. Nice weekend.